Continuing on, the movement is out of the cleaning solution. Um, some people dip it in. You want to rinse the cleaning solution off afterwards to make sure it doesn't corrode your movement. Some people dip the movement and parts in rubbing alcohol afterwards because that will take care of all the water. Um, I personally dry them off with a paper towel or put them in a paper towel. And then I have an ice cream bucket that I put a bunch of holes all around this ice cream bucket. And then in the lid of the ice cream bucket, I cut a hole just big enough for my hairdryer to fit down in the hole. I will put all these parts in this ice cream bucket and then use the hairdryer on it, and that dries the water off good enough for my expectations. I do not do this professionally. I do not do this for a job. I only work on my clocks and family clocks and maybe a friend. But you want to dry the movement off as good as possible. I also failed to mention prior to putting the movement inside the cleaning solution, you want to take a toothbrush or something and get as much as the dirt as you can off the parts. Remember, a lot of these clocks, because of the way they work, they're going to have, especially if you have cats in your house or if you're a smoker, they're going to have a lot of cat hair and dirt inside the movement. So prior to putting it in your cleaning solution, and if you were to buy this cleaning solution, it is pretty expensive. It's fairly expensive just to make it. You don't want all that cat hair and everything else in your cleaning solution. So manually clean as much as you can off prior to putting it in the cleaning solution. And depending on the clock, you might want to put it in your cleaning solution for a second time. It is totally up to you. It is your stuff. Do what you want with it. So now I'm going to dry it all off.